Are you tired of battling pet hair, dusty carpets, and endless hard floor messes? Well, say hello to your ultimate cleaning companion, the Lafont M320 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Compact, powerful, and packed with features, this smart little machine is here to revolutionize the way you clean your home. Stick around as we dive deep into what makes the Lafont M320 a game changer in the world of robotic vacuums. Let's start with the design. The Lafont M320 is sleek and compact, measuring just 11 inches in length and width and standing only 2.99 inches tall. This low-profile design ensures it can slide under furniture with ease, tackling those hard-to-reach areas. And the glossy black finish? It adds a touch of sophistication to any room. But don't let its small size fool you. This robot packs a serious punch with its 5,500 Pascal suction power. Whether it's crumbs on your hardwood floor, pet hair on the carpet, or dust in tight corners, the M320 gets the job done effortlessly. And speaking of carpets, it comes equipped with advanced carpet detection technology. This means it automatically adjusts its suction power to handle tougher messes on rugs or carpets without any extra input from you. Tired of emptying your vacuum constantly? The Lafont M320 features an 800 milliliter visible dustbin, one of the largest in its class. It holds more dirt, so you spend less time emptying and more time enjoying a clean home. Plus, the transparent design lets you see exactly how much debris it's collected. And here's where it gets even better. The M320 isn't just a vacuum, it's also a mop. With its innovative magnetic mop holder design, you can choose between reusable mop cloths or even disposable towelettes for quick and easy cleanup. The setup is simple, and you're ready to tackle sticky stains and spills in seconds. One of the standout features of the M320 is its low noise operation. Say goodbye to those noisy cleaning sessions that disrupt your peace. This robot works quietly in the background, letting you carry on with your day without distractions. Perfect for homes with kids or pets. Let's talk convenience. The Lafont M320 boasts a runtime of up to 180 minutes on a single charge, making it ideal for larger spaces. And when the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its charging dock. No babysitting required, it's cleaning on autopilot. Control is effortless too. The M320 seamlessly integrates with Alexa, so you can start or stop cleaning with just your voice. Imagine saying, "Alexa, start the vacuum," and watching it spring into action. Cleaning your home has never been so futuristic or easy, and it doesn't stop there. The Lafont M320 is packed with smart features, including multi-layer air filtration, edge cleaning, and precise obstacle avoidance technology. It knows where to go, what to clean, and what to avoid, ensuring thorough cleaning without getting stuck or tangled. So whether you're dealing with pet hair, dusty floors, or tricky corners, the Lafont M320 is the all-in-one cleaning solution you've been waiting for. Sleek, powerful, and smarter than ever, it's time to give your home the care it deserves. Ready to upgrade your cleaning game? Click the link below to grab your Lafont M320 Robot Vacuum Cleaner today and take the first step toward a cleaner, stress-free home. Don't wait. Your floors will thank you.